Learn French verb venir, present tense, for beginners. Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language, the place where learning French becomes fun and easy. In today's lesson, we're going to learn the French verb venir, which means to come, in the present tense, or as we say in French, l'indicatif présent. Perfect for beginners and especially useful for school-level CBSE and ICSE students. So grab your notebook and let's dive in. Step 1. What does venir mean? Venir in French simply means to come in English. For example, je viens à l'école, I come to school. Tu viens chez moi? Are you coming to my place? Now let's learn how to conjugate it in the present tense. Step 2. Present tense, conjugation of venir. Let's look at the forms of venir for each subject. Pronoun. Je viens, I come. Tu viens, you come, informal. Il, elle, on vient. He, she, one comes. Nous venons, we come. Vous venez, you come, formal or plural. Ils, elles viennent, they come, masculine, feminine. Let's repeat together. Step 3. Simple sentences. Let's practice. Now let's use each form in a live example with the English meaning. Je viens de la bibliothèque. I'm coming from the library. Tu viens avec moi? Are you coming with me? Il vient tous les jours. He comes every day. Nous venons pour apprendre le français. We are coming to learn French. Vous venez à la fête ce soir? Are you coming to the party tonight? Elles viennent avec leurs amis. They, the girls, are coming with their friends. Isn't that simple? You just learned how to use venir in real-life conversations. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel Smart Learning Foreign Language for more easy and fun French lessons like this. Please like, share, and comment below with your own example using venir. We'd love to see your sentences. Check the description of this video for the best collection of French learning books and dictionaries at huge discounts, a top-rated French communicative course for all levels, an exclusive self-guidance e-guide, specially designed for CBSE and ICSE students, and contact details and support, all in the description below. Thank you for watching. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, French is fun with Smart Learning Foreign Language. À bientôt.